children, good morning. How are you all? Are you all fine during these rainy days? Yes? Okay. I think you are ready with your assignment, isn't it? Yes. Then show it to me. Yes. Now take your books. I think you have to do the assignment on think and answer section. The third question. Do you think the decision the king made was wise? Give reasons. Okay. So the answers are with you, no? Yes, then tell it. Yes. Okay, so the answer is yes, because a good ruler is one who cares for the environment and the people of their kingdom. Okay? Yes. Now, we can move on to the word power section. Okay? So, before that, are you familiar with sound words? Yes or no? Yes? Can you say some of the sound words? Yes. What was that? Ticking. Yes. Then, thud. Yes. So, some of the words are given in your book too. Can we have a look on it? Yes. Then take page number 9. Yes. Look at these words from the lesson. Look at these words from the lesson. Which are those words? Tub duck, crack, thud. These are the words given from the textbook. Do these words imitate sounds you hear? We can see. First one is an exercise. Here are some sound words. Write them in the pictures you think they belong to. Okay? Are you ready to do this? Yes? Okay, fine. So, the words are, you should repeat with me, okay? Yes. Tinkle, tinkle. Yes. Splash, splash. Thump, thump. Squeak, squeak. Tweet, tweet. Now you want to say the pictures you think they belong to, okay? So, in the first picture you can see a mouse there. So, which word will suit here? Which is the suitable word here? Yes, squeak. So, write squeak. Write squeak. Okay? Now, next one. You can see the picture of hand. You can see the picture of hand. What sound will come there? Yes. Thump. Thump. Next. There are some bells. Can you see that? Yes. Then what sound will come from there? Yes. Tinkle. Tinkle. Then next one is a bird. Then what sound will be there? Yes. Tweet. Tweet. Then you can see a kid there, no? Yes. Then which is the suitable sound there? Splash, splash. Okay? You got all the sound words here? Yes. Now take page number 10. Next page. Here is another exercise for you, that is, can you circle the sound words in these sentences? Can you circle the sound words in these sentences? Okay? 5 sentences are there and you want to find out the sound words and circle it. Okay? Ready? Yes. The first sentence is, the clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. Which is the sound word you can find there? Yes. Ticking. Now the second sentence. The strap of my sandal snapped when I stepped out of the car. Which is the sound word there? Yes. Snapped. snapped. Circle it, okay? Snapped. Now, the third sentence. I gargled with salt water because my throat was sore. Because my throat was sore. So, which is the sound word there? Yes, gargled. Gargled. Circle it. Now, the next sentence. She whisked down the road on her bike. She whisked down the road on her bike. Which is the sound word? Yes, whisked. 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 Now, fifth sentence. She squished the clay between her fingers as she modeled it. Which is the sound word there? Yes, squished. Squished. So, I hope you got all the 5 sound words in this exercise. Yes? So, circle it, okay? Circle it like this in your textbook. Okay? Yes. Now, discuss the meanings of the words you have circled with your partner so that you can do it from your home. Okay? This is a dictionary work for you. Okay? Yes. Now, we can move on to the next section, that is grammar check. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. So, all of you ready with page number 10? Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Now, in the grammar check section, you are going to revise about nouns. I know that you already studied these things, but we can revise it. Okay? Yes. So, look at these words from the lesson given in the first column. They are names of different things. What are they? Match them to their English words. Okay? Meum. Meum. Meum means people. Yes, then match it towards there. Next one. Ningtao. Ningtao. Yes, king. Next one is lama. You will match it towards queen. Then Kongman. Kongman. That means the Manipuri word for banyan tree. Banyan tree. Yes, match it. So, all the words in the table are nouns. So, what are nouns? Yes, a noun is the name of a person, place, thing. Okay, or an idea. Now, these nouns are of different types. These nouns are of different types. You can look here. Noun is divided into proper noun, common noun, count, non-count, concrete, abstract and collective. Okay. So, this noun is divided into proper, common, count, non-count, concrete, abstract and collective. Okay. So, can we have a look on it? Yes. So, nouns are of different types. First one is proper and common. Take page number 10. Yes. Nouns used to refer to a particular person or place are called proper nouns. So, nouns which defines a particular person, place, thing, etc. are known as proper noun. Then, what do you mean by common noun? Common noun means nouns used to refer to any person, place, thing, idea or etc. is known as common noun. They are general names. For example, yes, bank, school, women, island, country, etc. Now, next one is count and non-count. Nouns that can be counted are called count or countable nouns. So, the nouns that can be counted are known as count or countable nouns. Then what are non-count? They are also known as uncountable nouns. What do you mean by non-count? Yes, Non-count or uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. They are not measured in numbers but in quantity. For example, rice. Can we count this rice? No, we will say kilo of rice. Likewise, no. So, rice is a non-countable thing. Then, milk. Milk also we can't count, no. So, it is also measured based on the quantity. So, milk is also comes under non-count section. Okay, you got it, what are count and non-count? Yes. Now move on to the next type, that is concrete and abstract. What do you mean by concrete noun? Yes, nouns that can be seen, touched, heard, tasted are known as concrete nouns. So, the nouns that can be seen, touched, heard, tasted or smelled are known as concrete noun. Now, for example, chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Yes. Okay, so chocolate is a concrete noun. So, we can smell chocolate, no? Yes. We can touch it, no? We can see that, no? We can taste it, no? So, that is a concrete noun. Now, nouns that you can't see, touch, hear, smell or taste is known as abstract noun. There you can only feel it. Okay. For example, charity, intelligence, satisfaction, education. Okay. So, you love your parents, no? So, can you see that love? No, you can only feel it, no? Yes. So, that is an abstract noun. You got the point? Yes. So, concrete and abstract noun are very easy, no? Yes. So, the next one is collective noun. What do you mean by collective noun? You don't know? We can discuss. Collective nouns. Nouns that refer to a group are called collective nouns. Nouns that refer to a group are called collective nouns. For example, a parliament of owls. A parliament of owls. A fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. A herd of deer. A herd of deer. So, to show the collection of some item is known as collective noun. Okay? Got the points? Now you understood about noun. What are the types of nouns? Proper noun, common noun, countable noun, non-countable or uncountable noun, concrete noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Okay? Now this is the time for you to do an assignment. What was that? Take page number 11. Here, look at these nouns and tick the right answer to say what kind of nouns they are. You can see 7 words there. Okay, that are bird, nest, hippo, fish, morning, pond, a flock of birds. Okay, now what you want to do? So many boxes were there, no? You want to tick at the right answer. Is it proper? Then you want to tick at the proper box. Then if it is a common noun, you want to put a tick near the common nouns box. Okay? Are you ready to do it? It is very easy, no? Yes, do you understood all the things we have discussed today? About sound words? Yes. About nouns? Yes. About these types of nouns? Yes. Very good. So, all of you want to read it again and we can see in the next class. Do the assignment. Don't forget to do it. Okay? Will you forget? No. Okay. So, we can see in the next class. Till then, bye.